Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create MT4 account from Forex.com. To get started, let's open your browser and here search Forex.com. Now it will open Forex.com website. So here scroll down until you find open account. So here it is, click on open an account. It will navigate you to this interface. Here scroll down until you find MT4 account. Now here it is, tap on open MT4 account. Now it will open this interface. Here fill up the required details and tap on save and continue button. And then it will ask you for the next step. Here also you need to fill up the details. So that's wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.